Take a look what I found on Aliexpress today. For around $4 you can get this product. And what do you think? What is it? What it says in the title? High quality ratchet screwdriver set, portable mini Phillips screwdriver repair tool set, high hardness hand tools. And yes, never enough of tools. Every electronics guy need tools, and they are very important. I found it interesting because it's small and mini. I ordered it, and of course after a while I got it. Oh, and after a while, bubbles! Oh, I miss them. Ooh, and these are so filled with air. Oh, okay. Calm down. Come on. Oh, one more bag. Ooh. And take a look how cute is the handle. It's very small and fat, so you can have a nice grip. Oh, can you hear that? My solar turntable is getting some hard time rotating because this is a little bit heavier for this thing. And what it says in description: strong magnetic adsorption. Is that a D? Adsorption. Easy to use. Chrome vanadium steel knife head, no rust. Alright, two-headed knife heads. What it says? Ratchet forward, zero ratchet fixation, and ratchet reverse. Three-stage bidirectional ratchet, simpler to disassemble. What to disassemble? Can be long or short, retractable and easy. And it's super mini. Take a look. Short handle, more flexible applications. Alright. From Aliexpress I have ordered a couple of tools like this electric screwdriver with a lot of bits. Take a look. You can get this thing for around $15, and it's rechargeable with Type-C connector, and it's beautiful. I love it, and I love it because everything is organized in this box, and you can keep it all in one place. All right. And recently I have bought this set that comes together with the handle, some repair tools, and from other hand you have 115 different bits, every bit that you needed in electronics. Okay, but today's video it's all about this fat guy. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2, 12 different heads, like of the very popular Phillips head. Okay, and you can attach it when you press this ring down, and now you have a little bit longer screwdriver, or you can go all the way and to be a smaller one, and you can easily change it. And now it's in lock position, but you can choose the ratchet to go left or right. I'm gonna go left, which is beautiful. Or you can change it on other direction. I like it. I can't see, is there a magnet at the bottom, but we're gonna find out. Is it magnetic? Yes, it's magnetic. All right, let's try it. Beautiful. This ratchet is working fine. Now the opposite way. Wow. Beautiful. The handle is very handy because it has the rubber and this plastic part. Alright, as I told you, you have 12 different heads. Take a look. Alright. I need to give a shout out to my latest coffee supporters, and the coffee is a page where you can send me coffee one time, more than one time, to be a monthly supporter, whatever option you want. And take a look, here it is, the latest supporter, Michael, and he wrote, "Hello Mr. Hacktuber, I don't know your real name. My real name is Marian. I have been following you for months now and find your posts very good and helpful. I would be happy to send you some coffee, money or support. Thank you, Michael. My name is Michael and I live in German state of Hesse. Please keep it up and thank you." No, thank you, Michael, for supporting my channel. The link for all of you will be in the description below, so you can support my work and support my channel. Thank you. I found it interesting, cool and small. Okay. And I have added to my collection of tools that I got from Aliexpress. As I told you, the links will be in description below so you can check them. And that's it for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!